Hey, how's it going? Happy Halloween. Today I'm going to show you how I made these hanging pumpkin lights. Let's do it. Alright, so first thing we need are the pumpkins. I need 10 of them for the strain of lights I have, and I'm going to be using these small craft pumpkins from Michaels. Just draw a face on them and carve them like you would any regular pumpkin. Those cheap knives you can get at stores all over right now work perfect for these guys as well as real ones. This will create a lot of foam dust as well though, so make sure you tap it all out of the pumpkin and vacuum it up as you go, or else this stuff will get everywhere. Once all the pumpkins are carved, it's time to move on to the lights. I'll be using these cafe lights that have flame effect bulbs on them. I got them on Amazon. I'll make sure to link the exact ones down in the description below. To attach the lights to the pumpkin, I just carved the stem off the top of the pumpkin, leaving a hole that was big enough to slide the bulbs inside of. To permanently attach the pumpkins and make sure they hold up in the weather outside, I'm going to be using some Gorilla Glue. I just squirt some around the edge of the hole like this, then I slide the bulb in place. Now taking a wet brush, I'm just going to go ahead and push all of that glue down into the edges. This is to make sure the glue is exactly where we need it to be, and also the water is necessary to activate the Gorilla Glue. I use some duct tape to make sure everything stays together while the glue is setting up, and let that sit overnight. The next day, you just peel the tape off, and the pumpkin is nice and secure. Now it is time to mask off the pumpkins so we can paint the cord. To do this, I just set each pumpkin inside of a plastic bag, and then I use some masking tape to tape the bag up around the foam. Once all the pumpkins were masked off, I took it outside and hung the string up between two trees. Now going in with some spray paint, I just paint the cords a mixture of brown and green. Next, I added on these rope vines. If you want to know how to make them, I'll link the video where I originally did them here. They're basically just rope covered in Great Stuff expanding foam. Nothing too fancy. I just spiraled them down the entire way, letting some hang down lower than others, and zip tied them in place. Then I spray painted these as well. Only thing left to do now is unmask each of the pumpkins, and the project is complete. Installing these guys was super simple as well. All I did was use some zip ties and attach them to my gutters along the entryway. So, now that they're done, what do you think? If you enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe. I make cool stuff like this all the time. That's all I got for you today though, so stay safe and I'll see you real soon.